What do you do when your candles come out not so great? It wasn't the fact that the candles didn't come out smooth, it's that they didn't adhere to the jar. It's that when I tested it, it didn't give a hot throw. I found out I didn't put enough fragrance, essential oils inside. So the question is, how do you melt it back down? I originally started with the heat gun, which took forever, and also made the jars very hot. So I got 2 pans and created a double broiler. This way it starts to melt from the bottom, and later what I'll do is take the heat gun melt a little at the top. And on the sides, and the whole candle will come out. Remelting tip 101 for today.